Good morning, Neil Mini. Doug here. I stopped by the building and trying to get this thing ready for the open house. So we definitely need to get somebody in here, maybe even with just a leaf blower, but we need to get stuff like this vacuumed or cleaned up out of the building. I mean, what we're trying to do is kind of show this, as you know, under its best light. So just little things that need to be done. And I don't know if I have time now, but if I had people that could come over here, I'd be glad to send somebody over, but let me know what you can do. I'll just kind of go around the building here real quick. So I'm in the lobby right now. Okay, now I'm in the hallway, and you can still see here, I mean, there's leaves and dead bugs and stuff on the floor. So we got to get these things out of here, get the various rooms at least vacuumed, kind of cleaned up where it's presentable. There's just different little things in here that we can do. We can stand this thing up or get it out of here even, or put it out in the garage. These blinds, this stuff here, maybe Leo can have that put back up on the header so at least it looks presentable. Yeah, every single room, every hallway needs a little love. Let's get rid of that paint can over there in the corner. These blinds and stuff sitting on the floor. It's just, you know what I'm talking about. Let's just do this just like if you were trying to sell your car. We'd get the floor mats all nice and cleaned up, the wheels polished, and get everything where it's nice and presentable. These are those rooms in the west end of the building. And again, it just really needs a good general cleaning. Maybe the surface is wiped down and the ledges. All of this sort of thing can be taken care of when they paint. But I don't know if you saw this, but it looks like in this corner, there's some evidence of either the walls shifting. I don't think there's any moisture, but this is definitely where the wall has moved. And you're going to see it, something's moved there. If you look at the base mold, you can see that it's got a little bit of a different height from this side to that side. That's really no biggie if somebody's just going to lease the building, but if you're interested in making sure that something hadn't happened, you've got a structural issue going on. This is the other side of that same wall. So yeah, it needs some kind of attention. I think this was Rick's office. And again, there's a little need for some sheetrock touch-up. I noticed as I was coming in too that the parking lot, we should, at least in front of the building, blow all the leaves where we get them out of the entryway, so it looks like it's just kind of kept up. We definitely want to make sure that all of these toilets and stuff are filled with tissue. I'm going to go ahead and fill the drains so that they don't have any sewer gas smells. But yeah, everything needs to be operational. And that's all looks good. Going back outside here, all the leaves in the front entryway, if all of this stuff could be kind of blown and cleaned up, I mean, it doesn't have to be spotless, but it would sure be nice to have it nice and cleaned up. So when people walk in, it looks like it's been well manicured and cared for.